Another massive YouTuber in the crypto space taking notice of Kas, making content on Kas, and breaking down Kas, where he thinks Kas is going, man. It's interesting, guys. It's very interesting to see all of these content creators taking notice of Kas and just how far the project is going. I think there's more and more people just waking up to the project, and a lot of people are, getting themselves a bag of cash, man, which is smart. It's smart, man. Like, look at the technology behind it. Look at what it's bringing to the table. It's innovative, unique, it's new, it's fresh. People in the crypto space love brand new shiny objects, but this is one of those ones that I think will also last long term, similar to your dogecoins and litecoins and obviously the king of crypto, the bitcoins of the world, right? The ethereums of the world. I think Kas is gonna last for the long term, not just one bull cycle and then that's it, fades away into existence. I don't think that's gonna happen. The king of DAGs, the king of DAG technology, the first of its kind DAG technology, like long term, who knows? Block DAG could replace blockchain, and then I have to change my name to Block DAG Daily. So this is from altcoin is taking notice of Virtual Bacon, giving a deep dive video into Kas, its fundamentals, and it is a 40-minute video which is worth the watch. Virtual Bacon right here, sitting at 136,000 subscribers, and we're just gonna take a quick look at the video, see what Virtual Bacon's thoughts are. But this is massive stuff, guys. Again, 100,000 subscribers in a crypto channel, like that is a lot. I told y'all this on the live streams. I did YouTube before, man, and making content that is more like entertainment, video games, anime, TV shows, movies. It's easier to grow your following from that type of content. Crypto content, it's difficult, extremely difficult, man. So if you got 100K subscribers on a crypto channel, you are like a big channel. You're pretty much like a million subscribed channel in this space, right? Especially because crypto is also this massive echo chamber. So this is huge to see that these top content creators are taking notice of Kas, man. And we're just gonna take a look at the video, just skim through it, see what Virtual Bacon has to say.
And if you look at the price performance of Kaspa, so for past 1 year and even maximum, right? So this coin launched actually early 2022, so just about 1.5 years ago. And you see this coin has not been in a bear market. In fact, it's probably the strongest performer in this bear market.
Not even probably, it is. It's the best performing project in the space in the past 19 months. Like, there is no other altcoin that performed like Kas did, from nothing to like $1 billion, other than Pepe, which is the meme coin Pepe. That's it, right? Those are the only two projects that went from nothing to $1 billion in market cap, right? That's it.
And it's, as we speak, it's pretty much testing all-time high. So what exactly is this project? Let's get into it.
So
it's from a blockchain.
He's gonna go through like what DAG is.
Is that instead of having a linear set of blocks to include your transactions, DAG instead forms blocks in multiple with multiple at the same time, and they can point to each other as the new blocks are created,
using those orphan blocks that wouldn't typically get disregarded in a blockchain. Y'all telling me I gotta change my name? When people ain't wake up to block DAGs yet. That's crazy, right? We're so early. Because people, like think about this, right? The Fed and all of the top officials in government and all that stuff, the people that make the laws and stuff, they're still on blockchain. We already ahead of them with block DAG. Think about that, man. That's crazy.
First and second relationship, so directions, mean that's why you see these arrows, the fork has. So this Ghost protocol is actually invented by Kaspa's founder, Jonathan, and his PhD mentor, Aviv Zohar. So I'll show you the actual reference of this. here is the official white paper.
The official white paper for Ethereum combining Ghost and Kaspa. Ghost is created by Jonathan and Aviv, who created Kaspa. If that's not a that's not a reason to if that's not a reason to get into Kas, I don't know what is, man. Like, Ethereum is the second biggest crypto, and the person that made Kaspa is in the Ethereum white paper with the creation of Ghost, which is the old technology of Ethereum. That's old. Dag is new. Ghost Dag Knight is new, right? Come on, man. Like, people are sleeping, man.
Of written by Vitalik and Ethereum Foundation researchers, combining Ghost and Kaspa. And you see, if you just search up Ghost here is the actual reference of the LMD Ghost protocol. And you see here,
right here in the Ethereum white paper, what do we see? Look at where my mouse is, guys. Sam Polinsky, which is Jonathan, and Zohar, which is, Aviv Zohar. Jonathan, Sam Polinsky.
Ghost is a fork choice rule introduced by Sam Polinsky and Zohar. So Sam Polinsky is Jonathan Sam Polinsky, and Zohar is Aviv Zohar, his mentor. And here is, I think this is actually very useful. This is essentially what Ghost does, right? So you have,
man, if that's not a reason to get into Kas, he's talking about other DAGs as well, but like Kas is the king of them. Like, I talk about different altcoins on the channel. I'm always gonna pick the best one, right? I'm always gonna pick the best one. I could care less about the other DAGs. I'll be honest with you. Kaspa versus Bitcoin comparison. Kaspa mining. He gets into the tokenomics as well. He has an investment plan for Kas.
I am looking at potentially accumulating this coin on the next correction. So what would that look like? Assuming this higher high here, if Kaspa cannot break above this previous higher high, so let me draw just a direct line here. So you see this previous high at 5 cents exactly. We had a wick above on the daily, but it did not close above it. So if Kaspa cannot break above this 5 cents level, I think a correction is due, because this will look very similar to a double top pattern,
yeah.
In which case, the
next level would be at the 3 cent, which I said in my TA as well.
Target that we can have is right around the 3.3 cents level.
Now, this the thing, though. This the thing. That video was when? My bad. That was 5 days ago, man. This the thing, though. This the thing. Kas is a monster. It's a beast. Y'all see the chart right here, man. Y'all see, this thing looking like it's ready to keep going. It looking like it's ready to keep going through the resistances and just not follow any TA, because, guys, yeah, this is the chart, This is a chart right here. It's looking like a cup in hand. It's not even. It could be a double top. It could be a cup in hand. Look at the teacup with the steam. This is from who? This is from Soldier of Fortune. Good morning to all Kaspa holders. So you could be looking at this as a double top, but guess what? That was 5 days ago. It came down and it's coiling up, and it could just keep going up from here. The project is. I've never seen anything like this in the space. How bullish this is, man. Like, it's just crazy to me how it just keeps going up. It just keeps going up, man. Corrections in this project don't fall as deep as people ever expect them to, man. They really don't. Again, guys, like, when the biggest correction I saw in Kas, man, was right down here, and that's at 1.5 cent. And that's when I started to cover it. I saw it back at 0.05. I really didn't do any research, so I fumbled. And I know, other people got it back here, and I know y'all are smiling, but when this is the biggest correction I ever saw it do, right, back to 1.5, and that's when I started to cover it, right? So again, man, jeez, man, like, one of a kind, man. This is a unique monster, a beast. I had a lot more info I wanted to go through as well, but time is always flies past you. So as far as the correction coming in for Kas for virtual bacon. I don't think you get that. You getting that? We gonna see though. You know, you never know what could happen. But going into October and the rest of the market is bullish, Cas might just again turn that into a cup in handy and just keep crushing it. You know, so Caspian, thank y'all so much for tuning in. I appreciate all the support. Huge YouTuber, 100K plus, talking about Cas, man, virtual bacon. Go check out the original video, right? Just go to the channel, type, I guess you just gotta type in virtual bacon, man, and you'll see the video. Let me get your thoughts down below, right? Let me get your thoughts as far as the price action for a Cas. You think we're gonna, you know, just keep crushing it from here, or are we gonna find resistance once again and start to get rejected, right? Because that's what I thought would happen too. You see, I had my lines drawn. I thought we would have when we were retracing right here. I thought we would have came back down to these levels, right? We didn't. It's just coiling up to keep going again. You know, I'm not mad. I'm not mad at all, right? Because this project just always does like what everyone doesn't expect. So Caspians, once again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe. Please be sure share the videos with your friends and family. Turn on all notifications. Become a channel member. Join the live streams. I'll catch you guys in the next one.